Hey guys, Jake and Brenda here, Our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today,
We are going to make an easy, simple recipe, and it's just something I'm throwing together. So there's not a true recipe for this. So join us if you will.
okay.
All right, now we have 3 chicken breasts. We have Philadelphia cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup of the whipping cream, 1/2 cup of Duke's mayonnaise, and 1/3 cup of water. Red onion, we'll put a dash of the basil and oregano and garlic salt. And then to top it off, we're gonna put diced green chilies. So here we go. All right, we're gonna start with the cream cheese.
And how much is that?
It's one thing
okay.
of cream cheese. And then add a little liquid here. See this? Now, hopefully this is all gonna stir up together. I just want to get it broke up a little bit. Now that is softened, but
And what was this?
this was the whipping cream. So I don't know. I don't want to really use a mixer on this. So
The old-fashioned way.
well, yeah, that's true. Plus, I don't want it to whip up because the whipping cream will whip it up. So, just takes a little muscle. I have to start working out. Anyhow, put a little more in here. Let's go ahead and put the mayonnaise in.
We use Duke's, just seem to have a better taste to it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's our favorite. Our favorite for sure. Ooh, look out. Messy Bessie. That does help getting some more liquid in there. And I only got the water just in case we needed a little bit. So I am going to pour a little bit in there. Because I'll probably put it all in there. But I do need to add the gravy mix back here. I don't know if I mentioned that, did I? But anyway, it's gravy mix. Put that in there. Get that all stirred up quick. Yep, see, this is where you do need that extra water in there. Go ahead. Because as it cooks, or bakes, I should say, it'll thicken up too. Well, and the chicken itself will also put juices out from cooking. All right. So what we're going to do now is, I think we're going to go ahead and take these seasonings, sprinkle them on top of the chicken.
Well, it's a little heavy on the seasoning.
Yeah, we like our seasoning.
Oh, it's got to have basil. We're going to finish that off, it looks like.
Pretty close. It's basil and oregano, garlic salt, and sea salt. So it's got a lot in one container there. Garlic salt here. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and pour this gravy mix and cream cheese mixture over the top of that. Then I'm going to add the onions on top of that and the rotel then on top of that. So, you know, there's no rhyme or reason to how. So I'm excited to see how this turns out.
Also going to be our dinner, so yeah.
So
I hope it's
we
good.
may have a good dinner or we may not, huh? No, I think it'll be good. And you know, you just live and learn. Something, yeah, we could have done this or could have done that, you know. Like with every recipe, even those that, you know, people make, they always add to it. Not always, but sometimes they add or they subtract. They think, I don't like that much of that, you know.
Pretty hard to mess up chicken, you know.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm doing this. Can spread it around easier that way.
Yeah.
All right. Last and final ingredient is going to be the rotel. And might just use this. And this will also give it juice, and it'll give it a little pizzazz. Because I didn't drain it. Gonna just use it all. Spread that around just a little. And now we will put it in the oven at 350. And we're gonna go ahead and put it in there for about, probably 30 minutes and check it.
Okay.
And then we'll, once the timer goes off, we'll.
Yep, and we got the oven preheated, so.
Yep, it's
All
ready
right.
to go.
All right, let's put it in there.
Okay.
All right.
There we go.
Okay, guys, it is done.
Smells really good.
Looks.
And I did have to, it was at a 350 degree oven, and it was in there for an hour. So if you wanted to do 375, it wouldn't take as long. And it smells really good. And next is the taste test.
So we'll check that out. Okay, guys, ready for the taste test.
There we
It
go.
smells good, looks good. So we'll check it out here. So, right. Pretty good. Pretty good. What do you think?
Very flavorful.
Yeah. Gonna make good dinner.
I really like it.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
We normally 1 to 5, rate them 1 to 5. I'm gonna go 4 on this one.
Ooh.
So that's pretty good. It's got a lot of gravy and.
Yeah, you know, you could serve this with mashed potatoes or anything, and put
on the potatoes.
The juice or whatever.
Yeah.
On the potatoes, that would be really good.
Yeah. So yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 4 as well.
All right.
Yep.
Yep. Very good.
So you know, if you want to try it out, you're sure more than welcome to.
Yeah.
And if you do,
Yeah.
let us know. Leave us a comment that you did try it, if you liked it or not, or maybe you add something to it or take something away from it. So
it's kind of your own thing, I guess, you know. But that worked pretty good, especially with the gravy. I think that helps. So.
I think that really helped.
Yeah.
Yep.
So.
And the Philadelphia cream cheese, it gives us some richness as you know.
Yeah. So.
As well. So.
All right. Well. Don't
like, share, subscribe. Leave us a comment, as we had said.
And tell us where you're watching from, if you would.
Yes.
It's fun to
It is, yeah. We've had several do it, so.
All over the country.
Yep.
So,
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Well, you know, we're here, there, and everywhere, so follow us on our journey.
So, till next
Till
time.
next time. Bye.